Yes, now we will do worksheet based on preposition. ठीक है. This worksheet you don't need to write in notebook. You have to just watch the video carefully. ठीक है, आपने बस ध्यान से वीडियो को देखना, इसे आपने नोटबुक में नहीं नोट करना. ये प्रैक्टिस के लिए आपकी वर्कशीट. ओके, सो लेट्स डू इट. दिस की होल्डर इज वेरी स्पेशल डैश मी. आपने सेंटेंस को बड़े ध्यान से रीड करना है, अंडरस्टैंड करना है. आफ्टर दैट यू विल चूज द करेक्ट आंसर. दिस की होल्डर इज वेरी स्पेशल डैश मी इन ऑफ for. This key holder is very special dash me in of for. So what will be the answer? For. Yes, this key holder is very special for me. This key holder is very special for me. मेरे लिए special है. ठीक है. Now next. She was holding a vase dash her hand. She was holding a vase dash her hand of in at. So correct answer is in. Now next, what are you doing dash Saturday? What are you doing dash Saturday? Day आ गया. What will be the answer? Into on. So which preposition will come over here? What are you doing dash Saturday? On. Day आ गया. Day के लिए on. Ramesh waited dash his friend at the movie theater. Ramesh waited dash his friend at the movie theater. To in for. What will be the answer? For. Yes, Ramesh waited for his friend at the movie theater. Now next one. We sat down dash the grass and ate our lunch. We sat down dash the grass and ate our lunch. To off on. We sat down on the grass and ate our lunch. I don't usually feel tired. I don't usually feel tired dash the morning on to in. I don't usually feel tired dash the morning. The correct answer is in. I don't usually feel tired in the morning. Now next one. The audience threw tomatoes dash him. The audience threw tomatoes dash him in at of. The audience threw tomatoes dash him in at of. Correct answer is at. The audience threw tomatoes at him. The TV is dash the corner of the room. The TV is dash the corner of the room. To for in. The TV is dash the corner of the room. To for in. Correct answer is in. The TV is in the corner of the room. Now next one. Many of us eat dash fork and spoon. Many of us eat dash fork and spoon. For with two. The correct answer is with. Many of us eat with fork and spoon. She will meet me dash the station. She will meet me dash the station. By, at, in. She will meet me dash the station. By, at, in. The correct answer is at the station. She will meet me at the station. There is something dash the curtain. There is something dash the curtain. Behind, to, for. There is something dash the curtain behind, to, for. The correct answer is behind. There is something behind the curtain. He fell, dash the ladder and broke his leg. He fell, dash the ladder and broke his leg. To, from, in. He fell, dash the ladder and broke his leg. To, from, in. The correct answer is from. He fell from the ladder and broke his leg. Now next one. The post office is dash the bank and the shop. The post office is dash the bank and the shop. Among, between, on. The correct answer is between. The post office is between the bank and the shop. Okay students, so before choosing the correct answer, read the sentence very carefully. After that, take the correct answer. Okay students.